I have this great pile of clothes in my room that I love to take naps in.
What?
Nothing? I guess I should probably put away that pile. It's starting to smell. Hey, can you help me clean up my room? Great! I'll race you to the doghouse. Ready, set, wait for it, go! Whoa!
Dog, dog, doggy, dog, doggy, dog, 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 house.
Oh, you're victorious again. Honestly, I got lost on the way over here. I ended up in the kitchen. I grabbed a treat. Oh, would you look at this mess? Woof, it's volatile. Today, the sound that's bringing me joy is the V sound. Let's only keep the words that have the V sound in their names. Remember, V. Here we go. Dive, dive, dive. Yeah.
Squawk.
Ooh, a vulture. Does vulture have a V sound? Yeah, it's right up front, and he can help us clean. Vultures love eating old food. All right, let's see what else we got in here. A pig. Does pig have the V sound? No V in this pig. You don't have to go back to your pigsty, but you can't stay in mine. All right, what else you got?
Dude.
Ooh, lava lamp. Lava lamp. Does that have the V sound? Yeah, lava has the V sound in the middle of the word, just like this lamp has lava in its middle. But I don't think it's real lava. Or is it? Yeah! Whoa! Boots. Do you hear the V sound in boots? No V. I'm more of a barefoot dog anyway. All right, let's see what else you got. We're almost there. Vest. This is a vest. Do you hear V in vest? Yeah, I do too. That's my fancy vest. I've been looking for it everywhere.
Oh, I'm melting. Oh, melting.
Wow, this room looks spotless. We did it. Thank you, reading buddies. We kept all the objects with the V sound. Hey, let's see what Dott's doing in the reading room.